If you're running Google Ads and still seeing irrelevant clicks in 2026, you're probably not missing keywords. You're actually probably missing negative keywords. That's the silent budget killer. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build a negative keyword list in 2026 the right way. Negative keyword lists are a great way to centralize your negative keywords, particularly if you have more than one campaign running in your ad account. It's what we use in our agency, and I highly recommend you do it yourself. So after you implement this negative keyword list, you'll be able to block wasted ad spend, tighten up your targeting, and protect your return on investment before it disappears. So let's go do this. So here I am in a Google Ad account, and where I'm going to go to find this negative keyword list is under the Tools section, Shared Library, and Exclusion Lists. Here you'll see we have the opportunity to create two different types of exclusion lists. One is a negative keyword list, and the other is a placement exclusion list. That's for people who are running a display campaign. So how we're going to create our negative keyword list, we're going to click on this plus blue icon. We're going to give our list a name called generic. And we have in our agency a full list that we apply to all the campaigns and accounts that we manage, which is a list of all these generic negative keywords. I'll put a link in the description. I'm going to share that with you today so you can download it for free. But here is actually what it looks like here. So I'm just going to copy this, copy. And then I'm going to go to my add negative keywords section here, and I'm just going to paste it here. I'm going to click save, and then I have created my negative keyword list. But as you can see here under this column, under campaigns, it says 0. That means that this list has not been applied to campaigns. Now this account actually doesn't have any campaigns because it's a brand new account. But if in your account, what you would do, you click here and click apply to campaigns, and then you will see your campaigns here. You click the check marks next to it, and then you click apply, and then this number will go from 0 to a different number. So if you want a copy of this negative keyword list, simply click the link in the description, download it for free, and then you too can apply these negative keywords to your account. Word of warning, I would have a look through this negative keyword list to make sure it is relevant to your business. For example, if you're an employment business, then you probably want to have, job and salary type keywords, and therefore you don't want to add them as a negative keyword. So make sure you just have a scan through to make sure it's relevant to your business. And yeah, that's how easy it is to create a negative keyword list in your Google Ad account. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up icon and subscribe. Thanks for watching.